You know, it'd be just the thing for a toasty morning like this.
What?
An icy cold coffee drink.
Perfect timing because I'm just about to make cold brew.
Show me.
And it's super easy, barely an inconvenience because you need rumble jar. Do you guys know what's rumble jar? It's basically a mason jar with this little insert where you put all your coffee and then you fill it with the water and then you rumble it to make sure that it all gets mixed.
So what's the brew time for this?
So technically at room temperature it's 8 hours or like 24 hours in the fridge.
Room temperature. It's gonna be, well, it depends on the room you're in, but what's our plan?
We are putting in a fridge.
Cool.
So it's like what? It's 9 o'clock and we'll have it tomorrow. Perfect.
Perfect.
So I filled up.
Is there a fill line or something?
There is.
Let me try to
There's
get the
a
sun
fill
on it.
line. I'm not sure you can see it. It's kind of like a little, like right here.
I can't see it, but okay, I trust you.
And the coffee I'm using, you have many options for special cold brew coffee. I found that Starbucks Verona coffee like tastes really good to us.
And the grind is the right
and it's
size
grind, like pretty
coarse?
coarse,
Yeah, okay.
which what you want for cold brew coffee. So I filled it in to the line. I'm closing it off.
That's just like a little silicone cap to kind of keep all the grounds all tidy.
Right. And I'm putting it into a mason jar. And I'm filling mason jar with a water all the way to the top.
And it does float. That's why you're holding it, right?
Yeah. It does.
Have a clean finger handy.
It does float.
And then don't overfill it.
You want to fill it all the way that it covers. Okay.
Perfect.
And then close it, tie it, and then this is the important part. Now you have to rumble it
Okay, show me your rumble.
to make sure that the water gets inside the filter and in between all those ground coffee. You don't want to have any dry pockets. You want to make sure that so this is kind of like you rumble it.
Not shake it, but just kind of swirl it.
Yeah.
Rumble is the marketing term they
Few
use.
times.
Yeah.
Until you kind of feel that it's pretty good.
Okay,
And that's
cool.
it.
Well, let's
You
put it in the
can
cooler.
leave it again at the room temperature for 8 to 10 hours, but we are going to put it in a cooler. So the one challenge, we need to find a room for it in the cooler. So we'll just push things around. Remove that beer.
Oh, I'm tempted to just take it and drink it, but I'm going to try not to.
Okay, put it in. There. Beer back. And that's it.
Tomorrow for sure.
We found this amazing spot for lunch
Looks awesome.
underneath these beautiful trees, shade. Let's have lunch.
Lunch of champions. Oh my god. Crazy. Alright, it's still windy as frack out here, but it's time for, we had just had lunch. It's time for an iced coffee and a dessert scone.
Okay. There.
Whoa, look at that. It's pretty cool.
And a milk. So basically we'll just pour it into and just,
Let's leave this open, they'll dry out a little more.
oh, that's true.
Oh, that's gonna make a mess. In the whole jug?
Yeah.
Oh my god, we're gonna be awake all night. Probably.
Have anything? Okay.
We don't have any sugar.
Did you? Right. I'll just pour milk.
Oh, sugar, do 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 do. You're my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. That's great.
Okay. So I want to make a nice photo of our lunch place.
Okay.
So if you want to kind of sit here or something,